Good. How are you guys? Good morning. My name is Michael Mukosha, and your name is
Rachel Nachela.
okay. And we are representing Group One by solving the question in the past paper 2021, paper 2, school certificate, and this is trigonometry.
Okay.
So first we start by identifying what this is. Yes, we know it's trigonometry, but is it sine or cosine? So this is side. And by knowing that, we know that it's cosine, because cosine, when the side, we use cosine. So we start up with our solution. Okay, so we start, what is the question telling us to do? First, we read the question here. In the triangle ABC below, AB equals 275 meters, AC equals 45 meters, and BC equals 300 meters. This is the triangle, right? So we have to calculate angle BAC, which is BAC. We calculate this angle here. So now what is the formula for calculating an angle in the cosine rule? So you know, after we read the question, before we even start finding this, we need to identify the sides first. So this is side A because it's directly opposite the angle A there, and this is C, and this is our B. So now we use that to come up with our formula here. So we start with side A because we're looking for angle A there. So which will be plus
C squared
plus C squared minus 2BC. And this is where the catch is. You write cos A, capital A, not the small a again.
Okay.
So we start substituting now. What is our A?
It's 300.
Good. What is our B? 45. Good. So what is our C?
275.
Wow. So we continue and we write B. So B is 45. Okay, so then C is 275. Then cos A. Okay, so now we calculate this,
9,000. 9,000.
So what is 300 squared?
9,000.
300 squared is 90,000 equals 45 squared. This is 2025. What about 275 squared?
This 75.
Okay, so this is
75.
75.
625.
625.
Minus 2.
Minus. So we multiply this, we calculate this here. What is it giving us?
275. It's giving us 24.
Okay, so it's giving us 24,750.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we write cos A here.
Okay.
Okay. So now first we start by calculating this here. This. So before we do that, we bring this number down equals, then we calculate this, add those numbers. Okay, so we're getting 77
650
minus 24750 cos A. So you know what we're going to do now. Since what we're looking for is angle A, so we get this and bring it this side, and this comes this side. This must cross the equal sign. So once it crosses, it's going to turn into a positive number, which will be 24750 cos A, which will equal to 77650 minus, since this has crossed the equal sign, it's going to change from a positive number to a negative number, which will be negative 90,000. Okay, so now our next task here is to calculate this. What is this giving us? So we write this. And this is giving us negative 12.
350.
Okay.
Okay, both sides.
So up and now, you know what we're going to do? We'll divide both sides by this number so that we can only get the cos A, the one that we want, because we're finding angle A, yes. So we bring the number down there, and here we divide both sides by 24750. Okay, so here it's going to cancel, which will leave us okay, which will leave us with our cos A there, and we
Right.
put it down the way it is, right?
Go next.
Okay, so
Angle A.
I'll take this cosine and take it that side. It's going to be cos inverse, right? Okay, that's good. Cos inverse. Open brackets. So you put those numbers in, eh? And now we calculate this. When we calculate this, our calculators are finding
119.933.
19
19
47. Okay, so now since here you see the number after the decimal point here is greater than 5, so we'll get this and add the 1 to the 9 here, which will make it 120. And this is our answer. So angle A equals 120 degrees.
Like that.
In the area of the triangle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I can start. Okay, so we're finding the area of the triangle now, which is question numero 2. Yes. So anyone who knows the formula for area in trigonometry?
A.
Okay, so area equals to 1 over 2
BC.
C sine
A. Sine A.
yes, sine A. So now we now start substituting. So what is our B? 45, eh? So we get 45 there. What is our C?
275.
275. Then sine A, the A we found it here, angle A equals 120, eh? Okay. So anyone willing to calculate this for me?
$275, eh?
So
53. Wait, what is that? It's 53. 58.532186.
okay, so and again, as you can see, there's this guy here. Eh? This is 5, and when you have a 5 after the decimal point, you add it on to the number just before the decimal point. So this is going to turn into a 9. And what is area measured in?
It's measured in
Meters squared. So that is your answer.
Okay. Next question, the shortest distance.
We're now finding 3, which is calculate the shortest distance from A to BC. Okay, so formula for shortest distance is SD equals to 2A over B. So now we've been told to calculate from A to BC, so meaning BC is going to be our B. So upper we put in the area because this A stands for area, and what did we find for area?
53.
We found
59. 53.59. Move 1 3. 53.59.
okay, so this is our area and our B is
300.
300. Okay, so this is just 2 marks. So upper, just calculate everything on the calculator, then it's going to give you the answer, and your answer is going to be 35.72666. Okay.
Yeah.
So now here, again, as you can see here, he's come again. He's older than 5. So now you add it to this side here, and it's going to be 36. And this is what? Meters. And is 36 the shortest distance here, because there is 45, 275. Yes, it is. So thank you.
So it means that so now that the shortest distance is looks correct, because it is the shortest among all the sides shown. Yeah. So which tells us or gives you confidence in the exam that you've solved, you've done something correct, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, round of applause.
You go.